Hi all, welcome to the video. In today's stream, 7 minus 5, which equals 2 times 7 minus 5, which equals 2. Now we have this problem, 2 times 2, which equals 4. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, we have to work on the parentheses first, then work on multiplication, and at last work on adding and subtraction. So first we do this subtraction, then this multiplication, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this parentheses, 7 minus 5, 2. So we have 7 minus 5 times 2. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. We must do this multiplication first, then this subtraction. So 5 times 2, which equals 10. So we have 7 minus 10. So 7 minus 10, which equals minus 3. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to comment your thoughts.